Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south from Albertown towards Stettin. Entering Stettin. Stettin was named by Dr. Williams Lemonius after the city in Pomerania, Germany, where his family came from. Dr. Lemonius was responsible for about 1,000 North German immigrants who arrived in Jamaica between 1834 and 1838, some of which settled in places such as Seaford Town in Westmoreland. On the left, we are passing Stettin New Testament Church of God. The road on the right takes you to Stettin Seventh-day Adventist Church. The road to the right here takes you to Holiness Born Again Church of Jesus Christ Apostolic. Freeman's Hall Road is on the left, and this takes you to Freeman's Hall. Additionally, you can find the El Cave a few meters off the Freeman's Hall Road. We are entering wire fence community. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.